Hi, and welcome to the Easy Way channel. Do you want to make your microphone louder? Or you think it is too loud, and you want to make it quieter? In this video I will show you how to make it louder or quieter in just few steps. Before we start, hit that like button, and I will be right back. Okay, you need to navigate to the settings window for your microphone. To do that, left-click on Start, and select Settings. Here click on System. On the left side, click on Sounds, and then go to the right side, and select Sound Control Panel option. This will open this sound settings window. Up here, click on Recording tab, and here, you will be able to see your microphone. Double-click on it, and it will open this microphone properties window. Click on Levels tab up here, and here you will have two settings for your microphone. First setting should be microphone, and here you increase his volume. So by sliding this to the left, you will decrease its volume, and it will be quieter. Moving slider to the right, you will increase your mic volume, and by that, it will be more louder. You can play with this to set microphone volume the way that suits you best. Down here, you have option called microphone boost. You also have slider, and by moving to right, you can boost your microphone and make it even louder. Moving slider to the right will increase your mic sensitivity, but don't go too far, because it can enhance background noise. So, if you have a lot of background noise around you, I recommend that you don't use microphone boost. You can play with these two options, and when you find best settings for your mic, click here on Apply, and then OK to save your settings. And that was all for this video. If you find it useful, please like it, and subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next Easy Way tutorial. Bye.